Hello, promoted markets. This is Ahura, and will be with you to review the European Central Bank meeting and decision, and also the market reaction to these decisions. Uh, European Central Bank, as it was expected widely in the market, cut the interest rates by 25 basis point. Interest rates on deposits, the main refinance and operations, for all of them, they cut the rates by 25 basis point in line with expectations. Also, for asset purchasing program, APP and PEPP, European Central Bank, and also the Euro system, they decided to no longer reinvest the principals for the securities that they have. So that was a decision, but as we can see in the statement, and the statement tells us and shows us the reason of this decision is mainly because they say that with the lowering inflation currently, they expected in the midterm to have the inflation in line with towards the ECB's 2% target, and with the current ongoing trade war and trade tensions, the global economy is getting slower, and the Eurozone economy also, the risk is also actually in the Eurozone economy also increasing. So they suggest that the inflation will sit at around the 2% governing, 2% the ECB council target in midterm. And so therefore, with this slowing economic expectation and the effect of the tariffs and trade war, that was enough. That these reasons, they were enough for the central bank in Europe to cut the rates and support the economy, which really was needed in the Eurozone, especially if you look at the economic data recently published in the Eurozone. You can see the manufacturing still is moving under 50 expansion zero, which means that especially with the manufacturing activities, they need more support. So the central bank decision, actually, it was a supportive decision for economy and generally for the markets in the Eurozone. So with this decision, let's now check the charts and see how this decision affected the markets. As for checking the Euro USD, we can see that the Euro expectedly is getting weaker because with this lower with the lower actually interest rate, while we expect the Federal Reserve to hold the rates in its next meeting. So with these decisions, with this expected decision here and expected decision in Federal Reserve next meeting, we expect the euro to get slightly weaker against US dollar, especially when you look at the US dollar chart, and you can see that the US dollar index is getting, is finding a ground around 99, and maybe there is some signs of recovering from this level above 100 towards 101 as its next target. So all these decisions, they tell us that the Euro USD uptrend may finish here, and we can see some correction towards 1.1115, 1.11, 1.12. This is the next target for Euro USD, what we can expect with this dovish policies that central bank had. At the same time, this data, when we're looking at the dovish policies here, this data can be supportive for the gold. We thought the gold is in the multi-year high, but still the demand for the gold with the lower interest rate in Europe and other economies, the demand for the euro can increase, and we can expect more demand for the gold can increase, and we can expect more demand for the gold, which is positive for generally for gold trend. So this news is, we can count that as a positive news for the gold as for the European stock market, while for the euro itself is a negative news and can put the pressure on the euro. That's the decision that they made in the European Central Bank and the market reaction. So for the euro, we expect the euro USD to go lower right now with this decision towards 100. Towards 1.10, 1.11 actually, towards 1.11 is the main target that it can be reached in next days, while Euro stocks is generally the downtrend in the Euro stocks is not going to change for now, but these numbers can slow down the downtrends. in this decision in the European Central Bank. That was the decision in the European Central Bank in market reactions. If you had any other question, don't forget to write in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good time. Bye-bye.